In front of me is Realme A55 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by launching Settings. Now select Connections, hit Bluetooth and tap on this switcher at the top if it's not already on. Then wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Finally, hit Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, hit this gear next to selected device and tap on Unpair at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!